Okay, we finally all got our robot working on the last day of class. What can it do?
It can run.
It can run.
It can shoot.
It can shoot.
It can grab things.
It can grab things. Okay, yeah. So show me the grabbing. All right, show me the turning.
Oh no, that's the gun.
Oh yeah, okay. It can turn the gun.
Yay!
All right, turn it around to face me so I can see the lights on the back. All right, so Arianna, what did the lights do?
It shines when the claw opens or closes.
So open it and close the claw.
What? Oh yes. It shines.
Oh, it flashes, yeah. All right, show me it backing up. And forward.
And one forward.
Cool. All right, Max, shoot tiger.
No! 姐不要躲。姐。哦。哎，有吗？有。可以。
Cool.
没关系。对。
So why did we have to use 2 Arduinos in here?
Because of the timer.
Yeah, the timer issues. But I'm really surprised that we got that figured out in one class. Yay!